How far, my people? Welcome to another episode. Una don hear the latest transfer gist when just dey move about when they hot for town. Oh yeah, my beg, make una gather, make we run am proper as we dey run am on the usual. The matter when I want yarn today na that keeper matter, and we want yarn now. So Arsenal don finally land keeper. Oh, you know, see that guy last name, e dey hard to pronounce. So might skip that one. They don land Kepa from Chelsea for just £5 million. He sharp gone. The guy can sign 3-year contract with Arsenal. If you remember, Kepa na still the same goalkeeper when he hold the record as the most expensive goalkeeper for the world for £71 million. Now Chelsea take buy at that time for Atletico Bilbao for Spain for 2018. The guy now don land for Emirates for just £5 million. Last season, the guy dey on loan for Bournemouth, then for day on loan. The guy ball normal for Bournemouth last season. Oh, he played 38 matches and are steady. And before that one, he even chop Champions League and La Liga trophy with Real Madrid when he dey on loan for them that time. That time he control Ajo. He ball for them. After the move, Omoga come dey happy. Now he yarn say, I dey very happy. Say I don't land for here. I dey excited when I dey yarn with Arteta and Inaki na Arsenal goalkeeper coach. He said the hunger to win just too much for Arsenal, and Arsenal dey close to win big things. And I won't follow them, make we achieve them together. That one I wait to keep Kepa Yano when they sign and when they announce the signing. Now Kepa go dey battle that first team jersey with the fellow Spanish guy. They may Arsenal buy from Brentford. That #1 competition. He go out to no go be smart in next season. He go mad gone next season. As for Neto, when Arsenal be carrying on loan for Bournemouth, the guy don't go back to Bournemouth too because Arsenal no sign on a permanent too. So now, Kepa go take that spot as number 2. But now know whether how the yarn is the be. Kepa go likely come be Arsenal #1 or Nasi Raya. But we no forget for Chelsea that year, Kepa no be small keeper. He played 163 games for the Blues. He win Champions League, he win Europa League, he win Club World Cup join. So now Kepa don make the switch from blue to red and from Stamford Bridge to Emirates Stadium. Gunners fans, how far? If una drop una thoughts for comment section. No dull. Don't forget to like, sub and turn on that bell. We go dey give una football gist as e dey hot. We go dey drop am. Till next time, one love my people. Una do.